Hey, what's up, everyone? Eric back with another property. Yes, we rent houses.com. So walk in, this is 626 East 35th Street. It can be a three-bedroom, or if you have a voucher, two bedrooms and a den. As you can see, open floor layout, hardwood floors, ceramic tile as you enter the kitchen. You saw a security door on the front door. As we go into the back, there's a nice little pantry area, also a screen door that go outside to the yard. In fact, let's go take a look outside and show you what I was just talking about. All right, see fenced in backyard. Down here, it's kind of like a finished basement. As you make our way to the back, you see it's a large basement area. You have a half bathroom down here. This home has one full bath and two half baths. All right, now let's go upstairs, take a look at the bedrooms. As we walk in the first bedroom, you can see new carpet, new paint, new everything in this home. This bedroom also has a half bathroom in it. As we come out of this bedroom, here is your full bathroom. As you can see, very clean, ceramic tile. Again, this is 626 East 35th Street. Now, this right here could be your second bedroom, or if you have a voucher, it could be a den for you to have two bedrooms in a den. And this right here is the largest bedroom. It's, as I said, brand new carpet. Give us a call today, 443 380 0075.